Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something crucial for homes and businesses, security camera installations. With more people opting for surveillance systems, it's super important to understand the NEC requirements for powering these devices. Let's break down the key NEC rules for security camera power and wiring. This video is brought to you by Positive Electricians, your go-to experts for electrical installations, repairs, and EV charger setups. Visit positiveelectricians.com for more info.
Alright, let's start with NEC Article 725. This covers low-voltage wiring for devices like security cameras, intercoms, and other systems that don't require high-voltage circuits. While security cameras typically run on low-voltage power, they still need to comply with certain NEC guidelines to ensure safe and reliable operation. First up, powering security cameras typically involves either PoE, power over Ethernet, or separate power supplies. If you're using PoE, you need to use cables that meet NEC Article 800 for communication circuits. These are usually Cat5e or Cat6 cables.
For non-PoE systems, you'll be wiring the cameras using low-voltage conductors that must be properly rated and installed per NEC standards. NEC 725.24 talks about the proper routing of low-voltage wiring. You need to ensure these wires are installed securely and don't come into contact with higher voltage circuits, which could create a hazard. This means you need to use the correct separation techniques and ensure that low voltage and high voltage circuits aren't run through the same conduit unless the system is specifically rated for it. When installing cameras, make sure to use proper junction boxes to house the connections. According to NEC, 725.3 junction boxes must be used to secure connections between wires, prevent damage, and maintain the safety of the system. These boxes need to be rated for low-voltage installations.
Just like other low-voltage systems, security camera wiring must be installed with proper clearances from high-voltage circuits. The NEC specifies safe distances to ensure there is no interference or risk of short circuits. For example, low-voltage wiring must maintain at least 1 inch of separation from high-voltage circuits in most installations. Powering these systems also means having a reliable power source. If you're using a battery backup for your cameras, the power supply must be connected to the correct circuit. NEC 725.53 talks about using proper overcurrent protection for low-voltage circuits, and it's essential that you follow these rules to ensure the system is protected against overloads or short circuits. Before finalizing your security camera installation, always test the system. Make sure everything is connected correctly, the cameras are getting the right power, and that there is no interference with other systems. Also, double-check the labeling of your system as required by NEC 110.22 for all electrical equipment.
To sum it up, understanding NEC Article 725 is essential for safely and efficiently powering security camera systems. Whether you're wiring PoE or using a separate power supply, it's critical to follow NEC requirements to ensure safety, reliability, and compliance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more electrical tips and NEC breakdowns. Got questions about security camera wiring? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.
Need professional electrical services? Contact Positive Electricians at positiveelectricians.com or call us at 844-411-0240. We're here to power up your home and business.